Hello and welcome. Today, for football fans around the world, the calendar is punctuated by a major tournament. The story started in 1957 with a wave of independence was sweeping across Africa, and football became a powerful symbol of unity and identity. Only three nations participated in the first edition in Sudan: Egypt, Sudan, and Ethiopia. Egypt emerged as the first champion. AFCON has grown from this humble beginning to a growth of African football. So why should you tune in? Let me give you some few compelling reasons. It's unpredictable and pure passions. Forget about tactical football. AFCON is play with heart and sleeve, underdog achievements. Jokes like Zambia in 2012 or Africa's miraculous 2015 win, the celebrations, the emotions, the complete will to win. This is where global superstars are created. The intensity of AFCON. Players like DJ Drogba, Samuel Eto'o, and Mohamed Salah have all stated that performing for their country in AFCON is a high point of pressure and pride. Also, it's about the celebrations of Africa. It's a month-long celebrations of African culture, music, fashion, and unity. The vibrancy in the stand is as captivating as the action on the pitch. Also, it contributes to infrastructure legacy. Host nations build and renovate stadium, airports, and roads. The success of AFCON has also paved way for investment and attention to Women African Cup of Nations, which is known as the AFCON, which is also growing rapidly. Furthermore, AFCON has transformed into a major commercial property for the confederations of African football. CAF revenue comes from sponsorship, broadcasting, and ticket sale. Now let's dive into the business side of AFCON: broadcasting, live streaming. Because 2023 finals, Africa's versus Nigeria was watched by an average of 120 million viewers in France alone on beIN Sports, highlighting the diaspora and massive engagement. In Africa, global TV deals ensure massive viewership, often in tens of millions per key tournaments. Now let's talk about the sponsorship and commercial partnership. CAF has steered up sponsorship model for the 2023 editions. Headline sponsors included Total Energy, the title sponsor since 2016, a report 60 to 70 million per tournament deal, one times bet, global betting partner, Visit Rwanda official tourism partner, Unilever, Visa, Coca-Cola have been a major partner in the recent cycle and have invested heavily to access African young expanding markets, a population of over 1.3 billion. Now let's talk about the tournament revenue and economic impact. The 2023 editions in Africa was projected to generate over 200 million in commercial revenue for CAF and the locals organizing committee. Prize money for the 2023, the total fund was $34.6 million. Winner Africa 7 million, runner-up 4 million, semi-finalists 2.5 million each, quarter-finalists 1.3 million each. The host nations Africa spent over $1 billion on infrastructure, stadium, upgraded airports, roads, and hotels. The tournament was projected to boost the Ivorian economy by 1.5 GDP. The tourism and job creations are significant benefits. The 2010 AFCON in Angola and 2019 in Egypt saw a measurable GDP boost during the event. But AFCON impact go far beyond the 90 minutes. It's a massive catalyst. A successful AFCON destroys stereotype and rebrand the host nations and continent. For instance, Cameroon 2021, despite COVID, saw a significant spike in global visibility. In addition, the African Cup of Nations is not just another tournament, a historical journey, a cultural phenomenon, an economic powerhouse, and a stage for sporting greatness. Is the heartbeat of African football. The drama is real, the passion is compelling, the impact resonates for years. AFCON has evolved and changed from a three-team event in 1957 into a commercial cultural powerhouse. It generates hundreds of millions in revenue, captivates over 100 million viewers, and provided a supreme platform for African excellence. To watch AFCON is to witness football in its most passionate form, to understand the pulse of vibrant continents, and to see the future of the global game today. It's simply unmissable. AFCON is a stage where global superstars carry the hope of the nations. For the 2025 tournament in Morocco, we have Victor Osimhen, Nigerian, a prolific striker, his relentless energy and goal scoring. We have Mohamed Salah, Egypt, the iconic Liverpool forward, a living Akraf Hakimi, Morocco, PSG world class wing back, as the nation host Taliban, his run and technical brilliance. We have Sadio Mane, Senegal, the inspirational captain after leading Senegal into their first historical title in 2021. We have Sebastian Haaland, Harvey Coase, a striker, a fairy tale return from cancer to scoring the 2023 winning goal. He embodied the tournament and the spirit of resilience, performing under a unique weight of expectation where success is measured in continental glory. The numbers speak loudly: over 100 million viewers, billion in economic impact, and the prize fund rewarding excellence, the infrastructure that remain long after the whistle, the inspirational it provides to millions of children across the continent. In a world of increasingly regulated football, AFCON remains boldly brilliant, entertaining, and authentic. It's it's the heartbeat of African football, and its beats is now impossible for the world to ignore. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us for the next